Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So, honey, what are we doing today?
Well, today is Thanksgiving, and we have scheduled ourselves for a GoPuff shift from 10 to 3:30, and Tony's going to ride along with me, and we're going to see what we can make.
That's right, and you guys are coming along with us too. So, welcome to the Thanksgiving GoPuff ride along. Now, we better get to the warehouse.
Yeah, we got to get going. See you there.
So we basically have no idea what to expect today. Never worked a Thanksgiving at GoPuff, so being that they're centralized around college towns, there's a good chance that all the college kids went home to their parents' house. So what we are betting on some staying and ordering. There is some locals that order, but also there is a $3 per order boost pay today during the shift we're doing. So that's kind of the incentive that drew us out on a holiday to try this, and obviously to bring you guys along and see if we can make any money on Thanksgiving. Well, now it's raining. Gonna be an 80% chance today, so definitely gonna be earning this money today.
All right, we're here. We're going to start our work day. Hopefully they got some orders for us.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. All right, so we've been sitting here an hour and a half. We finally have our first order. Let's go get this delivered. Alright, so we got that one delivered. So for an hour and a half, our daily total is $10.74.
Not the greatest, but you know, it's going to be a slow start. We knew that. It'd probably be a slow day period. But honey, what are we at for the day now? Because break down what all the money we've made, like what you got tipped, all that.
So we got a commission of $2.75. We got a boost pay of $3, and we got a tip of $5.99. $4.99.
Yes.
Yeah, $4.99, which brought us to $10.74.
That's right. So great tip on that one, plus the boost pay equaled out to $10.74 for an hour and a half. All we can do is get back and try to get some more orders. But
hopefully it'll get busier.
Now she's got competition because another driver showed up. So let's see if we can make some more money.
Alright, so unfortunately on our second order, the lady's ID was expired. So I had to call driver support and let them know that her ID was expired and there was no one else in the house that could have their ID scanned. So now we are returning this to the warehouse, but I will still get paid my commission of $2.75. So at least that's something.
Alright honey, so what just happened?
So we went and delivered and we got a tip for $7.50, which is an awesome tip. But then we got a post tip, which was an additional $9. So total for the order we just delivered, we got a $16.50 tip. That's awesome.
Alright guys, we've been at this about 4 hours, and after that big old tip, we are at how much total?
almost $50.
All right, so basically we're doing like $12.50 an hour. So we only have another, what, hour and a half in this shift?
Yes.
But another driver has come on, so that's 3 of us now, which is kind of slowing down getting orders. It is picking up, but the orders are slowing down due to how many drivers. But, you know, it is what it is. So we're just going to try and make whatever we can for the next hour and a half. We're spending time together. We're making a little money. Really, the mileage, I think we're at about 24 miles right now. And we're almost back to the warehouse, so...
We're doing a lot of parking lot sitting.
Yeah, very slow day. And just like that, we're done. That sucked. But it could have been way worse. Now, that said, we had some good tips. We had some good things happen tonight.
Yeah, we did.
So, I mean, you can't complain if you're making money. We didn't have very high expectations. Morning shift here, I mean, catering to most college student, a morning early day shift is never going to be optimal. Night and late night are the money makers. But that said, we didn't do as bad as I thought. So, honey, how many deliveries did we do?
We did 5 deliveries.
All right. And what was the mileage on that total for the day?
29 miles.
29 miles. Killing me. So, you had some boost pay in there.
Yeah, so we had $3 for every order, but the order that we had to return back to the facility, you don't get your boost pay for.
Yep.
So, but we got $12 in boost pay.
Can't beat that. That's free money. How'd you do in tips?
We did awesome in tips, considering we only had the 5 orders. And the one we had to return back, we did $33.99 in tips. We got that $16.50 tip, which really helped us out.
Yeah, that was a monster tip. So now there's going to be 2 totals here. The first total is everything that you just listed off, which is how much?
$59.74.
So that alone would kind of suck. And if we were doing something like DoorDash or Grubhub or even Instacart, that's what we would be making. But this is GoPuff, and GoPuff has a...
Now, GoPuff has a subsidy that if you don't make at least minimum wage or whatever their set amount is for your area, which in our area is $9 an hour, they will bring your commissions up to that. So, on top of that $59.74, we will get an additional $24 because we did not make $9 an hour on our commissions, which that brings us up to $83.74.
And that's important to understand. That's on the day and without tips. So, the total is $83.74. Now, we worked 5.5 hours, correct?
Yes.
So that brings us, yeah. We sat in the car and ate potato chips and played on our phones, but basically we earned $15.22 an hour. The total mileage, was under 30. I mean, not great money, but not bad money. We got to hang out together, got to enjoy each other's time. We didn't have to go someplace and actually work. Now, the other thing we realized when we were driving down here is none of the restaurants are open.
None of the restaurants are open.
So if we were trying to DoorDash or Grubhub or something today, we would have made next to nothing, literally, because nothing's open. So
this town is crazy deserted.
Yeah. But with that said, honey, I think that we need to go try and make some more money some other way. But I think we're going to leave you guys here with this. we will definitely need to do some more videos on this because there's many a nights we work late nights and she averages like $30 an hour.
Oh yeah.
So we're definitely gonna have to do another ride along. If you guys want to see more ride alongs, please go down in the comments. Tell us you want to see more ride alongs, or if you want to see us do some of our other gig apps or multi-apping, let us know down in the comments. But with that said, if I haven't already said it enough, and I don't know why you wouldn't have joined the family by now, but if not, please go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Give us a like if you feel so inclined. If not, that's okay too. And honey,
we will see you in the next one.
why didn't you make me more money today?
I made you $15 an hour to sit in the car and play on your phone.
I need paid more to look beautiful like this in the car.
You are cute.
I love you.
I love you.